Oh, welcome back to Triple T Golf behind the clubs. No, Triple T. Yeah, Triple T Golf behind the clubs. If you see the video before this, I'm okay, don't worry. Just every shuckle.
It's not about you all the time.
Okay, bye.
What you doing, Alamo?
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Ah.
I'm feeling.
Where are you going, Ella, today? Choo-choo train! And what are you gonna...
Dad, it's really nice.
Yes, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Right, guys, so yeah, I don't know if Evie told you at McDonald's that we was coming to go on a steam train. Unfortunately, we missed the train. So we're here at Bolton Abbey train station and the train has just got in. So we've got Ella, we've got Auntie Anne, we've got Georgia, we've got Grandad, we've got Evie, and there's the train. Lily's. That's Lily. Lily's a little bit of an attention seeker. Hi, Soph.
Don't talk anyway.
Hi, Leo. Was that? Oh, yeah. Was that? Nope, not having it. Not having it.
All you'll get is hey, hey.
Enjoy that. All right, okay, yeah. Hi, Uncle Tony. Yeah, nice, yeah, nice to see you, mate. Yeah. No, it's fine. Yeah, no, it's Ariella. Hi.
Hi, Tony. All right.
You're a bit rough.
No, I'm alright.
You got a bit of a rough head.
No, I'm alright.
All right. How you doing? You okay?
Yeah, not too bad.
The camera says hello again. Hey, let's Bella. You got your baby?
Yeah.
We've learned 3 new things about Ella today.
What's that?
She likes McDonald's sausage, hash brown, and she can sleep without a ninny.
Hello, darling. Is that your dolly?
Yeah.
You have to have a look at yourself.
What is that?
Are you cold?
No.
You're going to put your big coat on?
What is that?
Shall we put your big coat on too?
Dad doesn't have a great history when we went to rugby.
Caitlin.
I know, isn't she?
Pardon?
We need a powwow to work. Don't get me on the camera. To work out.
Go on, tell the camera because it'll be good for the vlog. So how much is the Cavendish car park,
Well,
Auntie Anne?
if you're clever like me, you book it advance.
We're not, clearly. So
Okay.
how much is it for us, me
So
and
for
mortals?
me it was £12.50.
That was cheap.
And that was cheap. So for you it's 15.
That's
But
okay.
the train's free. The train's free.
You get to send house.
Yeah.
He's turning
Actually, your fault.
Why is it my fault?
Because whilst taking you to Morley so you could drink with friends, I had my tyre pressure warning light come on. This morning I forgot about that, remembered it, and had to go put air in my tyres.
So it was nothing to do with the 30-minute wait in McDonald's that
No,
you had?
nothing to do with that at all.
10
Nothing,
o'clock?
nothing to do with that at
No,
all.
no, it was 11 o'clock that you had a 30-minute wait.
Yes, nothing to do with that at all.
Nothing to do with
Oh,
that?
if it was, I was 7 minutes late for the train. I took more than 7 minutes putting air in my tyres. Your fault.
But you took 30 minutes.
That doesn't matter. I calculated that into the
No,
equation.
no. Your McDonald's is the reason you were late.
And you.
Hi, God.
And
McDonald's is why Ariella didn't get on the train with you.
But Ariella's going to go on the train on the way home. So yay. Right, we're going to go back in the car for 5 minutes, okay?
She had an hash brown and she enjoyed it.
Had a little bit of
Would
that,
you
yeah.
rather have gone on a train or had an hash brown?
She's still going to go. Doo-doo. Yay! It did a boop boop. It did a boop boop. Ella, it did a boop boop.
view. Oh, look at the view. Oh, God. Look at that, guys. Dad, say hi.
Hi.
Hey, camera.
I've never been here before.
Have you not? Oh, we used to come as kids.
Never been here.
Dad's brought us here before. There's loads of stepping stones down there. You can cross the river and all sorts. When it's summer and it's red hot, you can. I mean, look at the water's pretty clear. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Won't want a wild swim through them rapids either, there, would you? Yeah, it's definitely too shallow down there. You can see all the rock form here. Come on then. Right guys, so yeah, after a bit of an hectic start and a 35-minute wait for food in McDonald's meant that we missed the train, which is not ideal, but we've got to the final destination, which was always supposed to be Bolton Abbey. George has just got panicked that I don't say final destination when we're near water and cliffs. But we've got here, like I say, and we're going to obviously try and vlog this little bit of the journey, and then the girls are going to take the camera, I'm sorry in advance, and take it on the train. So we're here with Colin, myself, George and Evie, Rachel, Ella, and we're just going to have a lovely day out of Bolton Abbey. Pavilion. Look at the cakes. Look at the chocolate cakes. And almond slices. And chocolate brownies. Chocolate brownies.
There's a mint chocolate. Come here.
She's salivating.
Come here, guys.
Let's look what else there is. Come on. No, please.
Ice cream for dogs.
Alright, ice cream for dogs.
And that mint chocolate ice cream.
Ice cream for dogs. Come on then, what does Ella want? Ella want a sausage roll?
Yeah.
You want a sausage roll for your dinner? Okay, Daddy, get that. Your chocolate and raspberry cake. Chocolate brownie. What's that one?
Chocolate
Flapjack. Sausage roll for Ella, fruit shoot, Vimto, cappuccino, and a tea somewhere. There. Say hi, Heavy Bob.
Some of us do healthy eating with tomato soup.
Is it healthy though?
Well, I don't know.
The amount of salt that have gone into that.
I just fancy it.
Yeah, well, to be quite honest with you,
Bit of what you fancy.
I fancied the McDonald's on the way here this morning. I did. Have you got a massive sausage sarnie?
It's all landing on me.
That's massive.
Is that
Got
yours?
some what?
All yours.
Oh, I thought you were ketchup on.
You're not going to eat all that.
All of that sausage butter is your sausage butter.
How's you?
Wowzers.
You eat too, Eddie Bob?
Elmo having a
How's your
sausage roll. That's a
hard?
big sausage roll, is that?
Or is it easy?
Oh my word.
Is it?
Flipping heck, that's a big sausage roll.
Guess what? Year's Eve is it?
Granddad Kev's here, look now.
Eddie Bob?
No way.
You put that all in your mouth?
Go fishing net, are we?
Well, a fishing net or whatever we can find in there that can catch fish.
Anything we can catch the fish. What about a carrier bag?
That we can catch the
Will a
fish.
carrier bag work?
Yeah, it might be.
Might do.
Why did you get a carrier bag and like a net to scoop up the fish and put it in the carrier bag?
Alright, let's go in the gift shop then, shall we?
I can't see any.
It smells nice.
Oh, there was this teddies, but then we
We
don't.
need to see if we can. We need Ella to pick something for Auntie Sarah because she's not here, is she?
What?
Invisible ink.
Invisible
That's a
ink.
spy pen.
Spy pen.
That's magic. That means you write and you won't be able to see it until you put your light on it. Oh,
wait,
look, Christmas things in this shop here.
Backpack.
We've got hats,
Backpack.
scarves.
Rabbit.
We're going to get that invisible pen. Go with your magic pen.
So if you just
Oh, you need to take the end off first, don't you? To do the pen.
that's
There you
it.
go. Right on that piece of paper there.
Write a couple of letters or something, or your name or whatever.
Right.
Well done.
I can Can you see that you can't see it? Look, it's not there.
No, it's not there, is it?
Now what do you
It's in
reckon you
there.
have to do?
What do you do?
Put the light on.
Right, go on then, put the light on.
I'm wondering if actually it'll come. That's it.
There you go.
Shine it on.
Shine it on that paper.
Can you see?
Look at that.
Do you want to take that with you? Yeah, you can take that with you. I don't know
What do you
what's
say?
written on it, but there you go. Okay,
What do you say?
there you go.
There you go, that's wonderful. You happy with that?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Right, let's go show Mummy and Daddy what you've just got. Thank you very much, Dan. Cheers. Oh, Auntie Anne's here. Look, she's carrying a baby. Well, we'll be coming back because I'll be taking my three in as well. Yeah, but it's not telling you everything. Tell her what it is, Eddie Bob.
What is it?
Tell her what it is. Ah.
You haven't wrote on the paper.
Oh, see, he has.
Oh, well, that's clever.
It's a magic spy pen.
Well, it is a magic spy
That
pen,
is
that, isn't it?
super cool.
That's exactly the words he said in the shop.
I bet the Home Six have got one of them.
Daddy will buy you something in the shop now. You've got something. What's that? You've got something. Where's that come from?
What's it called?
Oh, right, another baby. Awesome. Shop there.
Penelope.
There.
Horse shop.
Penelope Purple.
Horse shop.
Yeah, do you want to? No, it's not a horse shop. It's just a shop. We'll go into the one at the train station.
Does it have horse shop in it?
No, but
I'm
that's
gonna get a deal on you.
Right.
It's
How long are we walking for?
ages.
Hour.
Yeah, proper
Oh,
loads,
mister.
mate.
Shouldn't have ever
Loads.
go to the
Proper
toilet before we set off.
loads. Dear mate, you okay?
Alright. Yeah, I might just quickly
Hello.
look for a wee.
Ella, stay on the grass.
What we're doing, are we going to the steps?
Yeah.
It's that way.
Leo. Look at him with camera on. Oh, go! Good running. You coming?
This way, Leo.
Oh, you're balancing. Good balancing, that mate.
Everybody going in push.
Oh my, they're a fashion choice. That.
Let him walk.
Hey, Dad's working. Auntie Anne's still rocking the baby. Georgia is. Georgia was here. Oh, toilet. I'm watching. What are you doing? What are you doing? I think that pen's best £4 I've ever spent. What are we doing? Oh, she's running. She's running. You be careful on this bridge. Ella, let's have a look. Shall we have a look down there? Look down there. And what about that way? Look that way too. So people didn't pie. Oh, there. Gaps, look. Look, you see through there?
See through gaps. Look through
Look,
gaps.
you see the water?
And the Emma.
Pushing your pushchair, I think. Where? She's behind us. Oh, look, this doggy looks a bit scared. Come on, because this doggy looks a little bit scared. It's okay, doggy. It's okay, doggy. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, Lily. Go on, catch her then. Catch her up then. Catch her. Isn't it? Oh, great. Oh, it's helicopter. Oh, a stunningly beautiful place. Look at ducks over there.
That dog will look like Alfie.
It does look like a younger Alfie, yeah? How come you two have been ducked with both at bus stairs?
Well, I took this one because Caitlin's shoelace was in the
Alright, okay. Susan's still back there, is she? Is Dad
oh, okay, well, cheese.
Stop 2 minutes then. Are you climbing down?
Okay,
He's going to go down the slide.
Is that where you want to walk round?
Here, look.
Down the
Come here, I'll
steps.
show you. Climb up there. No,
Right, come on, it's time to go. That's why I was telling you to come down the stairs.
go that way. And we're going to
We're doing it
find
this
something
way.
else to play with now. Sorry, darling.
Right there. Oh, okay. Come here.
Climb up there, look.
Watch your head.
Climb on the slide. You ready?
Right, go on, go then. Go on, walk that way. I'll meet you at the other side.
Yay! Again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good girl, Sophie. Ella, you going back on slide? Going back on the slide? Ah, you've gone down already. You did it yourself. Again?
Ella, this way. Was that fun? Was that fun? Did you enjoy that?
Shout Eddie. Edison, Leo.
You've not really answered me. Was that fun? Did you have fun then on that tractor? Yeah. Shout Eddie louder. No, you have to shout Eddie. Shout Leo as well.
Oh, we've got Leo.
Go, Eddie Bob, go. Sorry. Go. Woohoo! King of the castle. Of course you can, mate.
Closest thing to Eddie.
I've not got a little teddy now. Somebody else had it. Somebody else had it.
No, she's alright, Joe's gonna go back. Watch Eddie.
What about if I hold your hand to jump? No, that's safe. Safer. Oh, Daddy holds your hand. Whoa. You're not doing that. You can jump in Daddy's hand and Daddy will catch you. Hey! Last one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey!
Hey, cheese.
No more. Let's go walk. Look at that wall. There's a little gap there just for Ella to walk through. Can she get through?
Yeah.
Can she? What's this? Look. Oh, there's a little walk for Poppy there. Ella, you have to go up these steps. Look, on that step. And then up on this big step here. Can you get up?
Yeah.
Oh, you walk through to Evie. Yay! Eddie Bob's going down the bottom one. Eddie Bob.
Steph, stop on that one. And go get your
Yeah, for a dog, baby.
stand up. Right, walk through.
She is. Sat at the cafe and said that they'll come at their own pace or something. So.
In other words, they're going to stay there.
They're going to stay there and have tea and cake, coffee and cake, yeah. Come on then, baby, because look, there's more. No, we've done it now. Come on. Look, more water there. Look at that. That's lovely, isn't it? Yeah. Eddie, come and look.
Eddie Bob.
One, 2, 3, go!
Yay! Come on then, walk in. You chilled, mate. You had a good time walking. Yeah. You alright after your arty fall yesterday?
My back hurts
Your back hurts.
very much.
Good thing, best thing for it this though. Good nice bit of walking countryside. And all she's done is walk down going, this grass is nice, Eddie would love this grass, Eddie would love this grass. And do you think he'd go in water?
No.
This side, Ella Moo. Ella, are you going to tell Mummy that you've given me a promotion and I'm now Ella's best friend?
Or my other friend.
Dada best friend. Dada best friend. Dada best friend.
Big or good?
Disgusting.
Dada run.
Evie has disgusting. Dada run. Hey.
Daddy, get home.
Am I your friend?
Daddy, hold my hand.
I can't hold your hand and the camera and the legs at the same time. Ella, is Evie your friend? Is Evie your friend, Ella? Is Evie your friend?
Daddy.
I know that. Give up. Right, sit up now. Right, you're going to fall. Sit up.
Hold my hand.
No.
Got your hand.
Hold my hand.
No, you're being silly.
Hand.
Ah! Warm, mate.
She's put those in it.
So it's her drink.
I want
Well, it's hers. You could have another can of pot from shop or something on my own.
Hey Evie, them shoes, they originals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are they comfortable?
Yeah, really.
Are they waterproof?
Are they?
Are they waterproof?
No, I don't.
Yeah, they are. They're them thingy ones. Hi, Mr. Duck. Hi, Mr. Ducky.
Make her go walk like me. Oh, that's warm. Where?
Because it's tight.
Oh, that was filled in the booze.
Rate your welly walk.
Oh, you enjoyed your walk and be ending in 3 5 there.
Well, you found a nice spot, guys. Yes, darling.
I'm just suggesting.
If you want.
You haven't seen the nicest part, which
Right.
is the Abbey. So we can get in the cars and go to the next car park
Okay.
and just have a quick look at the Abbey before we...
Yeah, if we've got the time, that'd be great. So, so we've been and seen the Abbey. We're now going for the final leg of the vlog. We're going to, oh, so much smells. We're going to go back to the train station, and these three girls are going to go on the train. And I'm going to drive and meet them at the other side. So, yeah, all in all, what an awesome place this is. And I'm a little bit crossed at 45-year-old. I've not brought the kids here more often because it's absolutely beautiful. What's my name? Not Tony, Dada. Hello. Where's your granddad Kevin? Oh, has he gone in already? You've got the ticket? Annie Ann. Tone. Annie Ann, she's there, is Annie Ann. Anna Ann, she shouts. Anna Ann. Anna Ann. It's alright, she just said to me, Tone. Yeah, Tone.
Ariella, say Anthony. Anthony.
Where's this shop then, Eddie Bob? Is it raining in there, Kate? Alright. You've got your hood up. Gangster. Oh, this is ours. I'm not sure there is a shop, is there? The old luggage. The free library there, look, there's the old weight thing there. It's lovely. All really nice.
Are we going on the train again? Well, you are for a second time.
I did.
This is mine, Evie's, and Ariella's first time.
Well, it was actually my third time.
Oh, was it?
No, it's actually the fourth time.
It was white, you know, when you were fluffling in, it was white snow.
I'm in charge of the ticket.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, don't lose them then.
Is that what it says? Ariella needs to be here.
12 or 11.
The same as on the way here. Did you want recipes?
Auntie Anne. Because she's calling you Ammy Ann.
I'll come first and then you climb up in them sparkly boots. Right.
Antisocial dog.
Right, Leo. 1, 2.
You're at the front of the train. You're at the front of the train. Yay! Scary face. Evie Lee. Evie. Oh, have you been substituted, Roy?
Yeah.
You got the train here, didn't you?
Yeah, we got here, yeah.
And you haven't had like me. You've not had the pleasure of going on a train at all.
Well, I did it last time.
Oh,
I
right.
did it with Eddie Bob and Roy last time.
There she comes. She's puffing the smoke away. Boop boop. Puffing the steam. Let's go. Let's just quickly sneak on.
Hello.
Hi, Dada.
Hello.
Hi.
I hope it's not going to crash.
Does it go fast enough? Hi.
Or something like that. Hello,
Hello.
It was a kind of a pub trip.
Hello.
It was all full of
Hello.
parents and kids.
Ella.
And
Ella. Ella.
with 3/4 of the way back to Castleford.
Hi.
And the train stopped.
No.
And we're all
Neither.
which is Prince Albert, so he became the future king when Victoria died. The one from Victoria, she used, it was made for her Golden Jubilee, and it would have run between Gosport and Waterloo and Windsor, so that sort of area. So it was built by the London and South West Railway. Her son's one, he used it when he was king, and he used it in the Edwardian era. And if you look, the actual ceiling's been heightened to allow the ladies to go in with the pictures, because obviously we know what he was like. So yes, I won't say too much more because there are kids present, but as you can imagine.
It does seem though, Dad, that she's been waiting for somebody to ask that question for a long time.
Oh no, I can tell you all sorts about these engines. I helped maintain it.
Wonderful. So when did you say the dates was of the end one, sorry?
1865 and 1867.
Right, well I'll get that on the film as it goes past
So
then.
1865 is the walnut one, 1867 is the satin one.
Still in use.
Still in use. Well, they were originally, they weren't. They were actually pulled in the 30s, 1930s. So the bogies were removed and they became statics. And this is what happened to a lot of first class coaches. They actually made them into like camping vans, part of houses.
So what will they be at that time?
Houses. Full houses. Yeah.
Bye. Have you got one ticket? Your jacket off, it's warm, isn't it?
Don't drop that, we know what, it's really special, important.
No, we're waiting for
Got two.
Let me see.
We're catching the vlog.
We're going now, get ready to wait.
Dad, I found it in it. I found it in it, by the way, Dad, if you're watching this.
That's incredible.
About 10 years. So he said, what's the time frame for that? 6 months.
Quickly then, what does the actual engine date from?
The engine's 1943.
1943, okay.
Posterity.
Fantastic.
And it was originally a saddle tank engine.
Right.
But what they did in the 1990s to coincide with the Thomas event, they took off the saddle tank and then made it a tender engine.
Okie doke. Well, if anybody comes to Bolton Abbey train station, this young lady here has got all the information that you need. And I guess she's probably got a lot more as well.
Yes.
So what's the old?
Royalty. So you can probably see the royal crests and everything on there, and I mean, wow, they just look incredible. Look at that. Wow, look at that. That is phenomenal. I mean, there's nobody sat here, so I can just show you the interior. That is phenomenal. That is so good. That is so good. So as you've probably already seen, my kids are on this train, and they've got the camera. So we're going to go take a look at what it's been like on board. Good luck.
Dad! Dad!
Don't knock on the door. Bye! Bye! What about the
Roy
train?
said they're the old Royal Mail ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Carl, Roy said they're the old Royal Mail ones. Yeah. Edison. Oh, hey, madam. Are you going to eat? No. Oh, no, I'm stuck. What should we do?
Silly Billies. Whatever you over there? No, not really. Oh, there's sheep over there.
There's a field with a horse and sheep in.
Oh.
Oh yeah, we did see that.
What are you doing, you crazy girl? Crazy girl.
What she doing is copying Edison.
All that. No, we're not going seaside. I'd love to live in countryside.
Ooh, no. Oh my god, that's a herd of old cows. My kid here. My kid here.
Where are we going?
East coast. Garden leaves. Wineries. Right up the side
All through the ship.
Aww.
And a pig, have you seen a pig?
Oh, I love that.
Clever, you.
Hello, Rachel. Have one of them, Bob. Please. Thank you.
Quick, put some more coal in.
The train actually beat me. I saw it going down the road and thought, well, I'm well in front of this, but it's actually beat me here. This has been incredible. This really has been incredible. What was that like?
What?
What was that like? Was it good?
Good. Is this a microphone?
Yes. Is it good?
Oh, I don't know.
It should be. Have you turned it off? Right, good. Did you like that? Was that good? Was it good?
Did you like the train?
It went choo-choo, did it? Oh, sorry, I'm in your way, sorry. My dad's in a second-hand bookshop. He's happiest man alive. Right. Mission, let's go find Mummy something. Let's go find Mummy something. £40 later in that shop. I mean, I bought 2 Christmas presents, so that's not bad. But that was amazing. Right, what did you think of your train? Oh, look at your sister, she's struggling.
It was very slow, but it was good.
Well, Ella decided out of everything in that shop, she wanted a neon green ball. Evie bought Georgia a magnet and a Mummy a magnet.
Better than a whistle.
It is better than a whistle, you're right. Right, we'll get in the car and we'll give you our final thoughts. But me personally, I think it's been an absolute magic day. And I'm a little bit cross with myself that at 45-year-old I've not brought my kids here more, to be honest, because it's been incredible. It really has. Yeah, we'll give you final thoughts in Carol. Get a cuddle. That's lovely. Does Roy get a cuddle? Oh, Eddie Bob get a cuddle. She'll get round to you. She's giving kisses now.
Bye, Auntie Anne.
Take care. Lovely to see you again.
Ella's here. Cuddling you already.
Take it to your mum.
I will.
Ella? Ella, she missed you out, Roy. She's coming. And Uncle Colin. Uncle Colin's the last one. Uncle Colin's the last one. Where she'd say, where is he? He's shouting you. There you go. She's got round everybody. Right, so final sort of thoughts on today's vlog video, if you like. This one's been spoilt rotten. She's got a new book. She's got a unicorn. Evie, show me your unicorn. Evie's got a unicorn. George has got a magnet.
I've got a magnet, some Christmas candle holders,
Wow.
a candle, and a new broom mug.
And what did you think of the actual Bolton Abbey?
Oh, I loved it. Beautiful.
Eve?
What?
Bolton Abbey, what did you think?
It's good lighting. Good countryside.
Good countryside. Ella, what did you think, Bolton Abbey? You liked it? Have you had fun today? Okay, that's really good. Absolutely stunning, and it's an hour and 15 minutes from my house. Truthfully, it's just so peaceful, and it's wonderful for me to bring my kids to a little bit of history, the steam train. To bring my kids to a little bit of history, the steam train. What was that? What was that? Can I not finish this? Anyway, look, it's been a really, really good day, and this part of the world is stunning. When the world is seemingly setting fire to itself and the scenery, it's just not going to happen, this, is it? For sure the family will definitely be coming back, and we'll be doing it as often as we can do, really. I would highly recommend it to anybody. The parking at the Abbey was £15 for us to park, but you can interchange between car parks. And other than that, I can't remember much more of a cost, really. I don't know how much the train was, because thankfully Auntie Anne bought us the ticket, so thank you. It wasn't. It was free to us because Auntie Anne paid.
And also, guys, I am okay.
Wow. It's always about you, innit? On that note, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you later. Cheers.